wait until the door opens. Open the door, please. Amy, do you have an unlocker?
What?
Well, what? That sounded like frou-frou music. Don't break the door. We're knocking on this door. You won't get up. No, we're waiting.
What?
But we're not.
Open the door.
Please?
What do you want?
Just for a minute, hurry. Just for a minute. Just for a minute. Just for a minute. You should trust us a lot.
No.
See, he's right there. Oh wait, he's gone. And he's out again. See, he's hiding in a dark closet.
Oh.
There he is.
There he is.
Let's try.
No.
Ew. That kind of closure does not need to be seen on video. So now we're in Amy's new bathroom. It's pretty cool.
And she's gay.
And Troy decides to masturbate in here. So and he likes to sing too. So it's pretty cool.
What was
And then we're in the mirror.
Oh. Here you
And
go.
now he's sitting on the toilet. Okay, hold on.
I'm not allowed to leave my freaking bathroom because you two.
And so we were having a private conversation, and he's being retarded, and he was singing, so we thought it was pretty funny. So we decided to sneak up and record it. So we were laughing our butts off, and that's why the majority of this video is really bad. Apparently he's talking about Waffle Houses, who knows.
Oh.
Hash browns. What was that other one?
Oh.
Puppy. Dog. Hi. Let's see what he's watching.
Nothing.
Nothing. He's talking to Kelly. Aww. How cute. And now we're done.